It's kind of general advice, but just that you can do it. I mean, whether it's air race or any other sport or any other job, just if you're passionate about it, then and you live it, then it'll happen. I mean, that's what I did. There's no easy way to do these things to get to the top level, but don't let people tell you that you're too young for something, because it's a little crap.
Oh, that was fantastic. I'm sure a lot of people love that out there. I completely agree with you that it is. Right, we've got 30 minutes before the race. How will you prepare till then?
Well, once I get out from behind this camera, I'll get back to focusing on the track, and a lot of mental preparation goes into it, but pretty relaxed going into the day. There's pressure to move on, but we had such a great day yesterday. It's been a successful race, and just go and have fun on the track. I love to race, so it's going to be a good day.
All right, thanks very much, Pete, and I'll let you go and do your preparation now, and good luck for this weekend.
Yeah, thank you.
Thanks. Okay, we spoke to Pete and to Michael. This is Pete's hangar over here. I'm just going to quickly spin you around before I send you back, so follow me. You can see over here, I did show you a little look around yesterday, but I'm not sure whether everybody saw it. So that's Hannah Zark, who's the defending champion over there. And if you just keep going around, you can see behind me, that's where the actual grid stand is, and you can see the two. It's empty at the moment, but you'll have two aeroplanes there that'll get ready to go into the runway, to go into the racetrack. But that's all from me down here from the race airport, and I'll let you enjoy the race. Have a good day in the sunshine.
Well, thank you very much, Charlie. Interesting stuff from both Michael Goulian as well as Pete McLeod, but I got a comment to Matea's daughter.